This is a Seaview cabin aboard P&O Azura. It is cabin P302, down on deck 5. Upon entering, we pass through into the main portion of the cabin, and the first thing you notice is that the bed is below the window. However, if you wish, it can be separated into 2 single beds with the nightstands between them. And at this stage, there's also a luggage mat placed on the bed. And opposite the bed is the desk with a large mirror, along with all your welcome aboard information from P&O. And here there are all the things you need for making a coffee and of course a cup of tea. And of course there's the all-important kettle. You know this ship is primarily for British cruisers who need their brew. And this is where the electrical outlets are. There are 3 British plug sockets and 1 US plug for the hairdryer. However, there are no USBs. It's essential for international travellers to have adapters for this ship. There's also a phone so you can call for room service, housekeeping and guest services. Below the desk on the left-hand side is a cupboard which contains the hairdryer, and tucked away below that is the ice bucket. And on the opposite side is the fridge, which is great to fill up with all the drinks you're allowed to bring on board with P&O. There is a small chair, bin and a circular table which just got in the way for us. And while the decor of the cabin was rather dated, the room itself was clean and of a good size. And in case anyone's wondering about noise levels, except for one instance, we didn't really hear anything at all. And even that was down to some noisy late night revellers. There was a small TV, they had quite a few films, but not many TV channels. Either side of the bed is a nightstand with a lamp which is fixed in position. However, there are no USBs or electrical outlets by the beds. And the nightstands have a couple of shelves for a little bit of extra storage. And of course, it's the same on the other side too. In the headboards, there are light switches on either side on whatever this thing in the middle is. If you know, please let me know in the comments below. There is some additional storage down by the side of the desk, and just past that is a full-length mirror. On the wall is a thermostat for adjusting the temperature. Plus there's the device for making the lights work, and also the light switches too. This dressing area should be very familiar to those who've cruised with Princess. Large wall storage area has space for all your belongings, plus a safe, and also the list for your dry cleaning should you require it. Although there is a free-to-use laundry on board. There's plenty of space to hang your clothes here, and your life jackets are up here on top. And this is where we dump that weird table. And now it's time to check out the bathroom. The shower itself was a good size and the water pressure was decent, although it did have the plastic shower curtain. I'm not really a fan. This line is ideal for hanging out any wet swimwear you may have. The bathroom comes with white company toiletries. There's shampoo and shower gel attached to the shower wall. And then there's a selection of towels which will change daily, the all-important loo, the sink with a white company liquid soap dispenser, and there's also these shelves for you to store your own toiletries. There is also a shaver socket and a couple of hangers for your bathrobes behind the door. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, as I'll have many more videos from this cruise. And if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing.